One of the most commonly asked questions is how to sell my house. Well, I'm here today to tell you, it's not as simple as just asking a simple question on the internet. There's a lot that goes into selling your home, as you may or may not know already. So one of the major things you want to look out for when choosing a realtor to sell your home is that you have the right realtor for your home. Some realtors might be great at houses in the country. Some might be great at houses in the city, and vice versa, right? So you want to make sure that the realtor that you have is well-versed, well-educated, and knowledgeable on the type of home that you have. If you have a city person listing your house and they don't know anything about a well and septic system and you're in the country, it's probably not a good fit for you because they aren't of that system and how that works and the contingencies and testing and stuff like that. So you want to make sure that the realtor is knowledgeable and competent to sell your house. Next, you want to make sure that you select a realtor that's a good fit for you. If the realtor, maybe you don't like their sense of humor or they throw you off right away with something that they say, or they take a long time to get back to you, their communication style is not what you want, it's probably not the realtor for you. So you want to make sure that your realtor and you mesh together well, because you guys are going to be a team going through the selling process. So you want to make sure that you're not going to have any issues going forward, especially right away when you start the home selling process. Next, after you start to narrow down your realtors of choice, you want to look at their marketing plan. Every realtor is going to list your house on the MLS. Every realtor is going to have pictures taken, whether they take them themselves or if they have a professional. I will tell you right now, if the realtor shows up with a camera, starts taking the pictures themselves, stop them, ask them to end the listing contract, and just find somebody else. Any professional realtor knows that hiring a professional to do their photography is the way to go. They are the experts in photography. We are the experts in real estate. So we let them do their job, what they're good at, and we do what we are good at. So if your realtor shows up with a camera, that's not a good thing to do. So, marketing plan, right? Let's talk about that a little bit more. So what does a good marketing plan entail for a realtor who's thinking about selling your home, especially in Madison or some Prairie or Waunakee? You want to make sure that the marketing plan is going to showcase your home. They're going to show the highlights, the great things, everything that made you love and fall in love or whatever with your home, right? The things that you were most attracted to. What did you design in your home when you built it that made you like, wow, we got to have this? Those are the things that we want to highlight in the marketing plan. Within the marketing plan, we're going to have some very specific things. So for instance, in my marketing plan, what I have is that we are going to do drone footage for your home, a 3D drone, not a 3D, that'd be cool, a drone footage around your house. Now it's going to be property specific, so we want to make sure we do it for the right property. We don't want to highlight something that's going to detract people from your home. We are going to do a 3D tour of the inside of your home. So if they're looking online, they can kind of push the buttons or on their phone, they can scroll through and walk through the house on their own. We're going to get professional pictures, professional video. We are going to have professional YouTube, Facebook, Instagram shorts created by our videographer for your home. We're going to have professional video of us walking through your home. And then that's just the start of the marketing plan. And then what we go into once the content is created, we go into really the action mode of the whole entire thing. That's when we put your home on social media and we're gonna boost your listing across thousands and thousands of people. For instance, one of our recent listings had 40,000 views in 4 days, and that was in a smaller community. 40,000 views, that's a lot of exposure for your home. Our goal with marketing your home is that you get the most exposure right away, fast, so when people come rushing into your home, it creates that FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. So we want to make sure there's that, oh my gosh, like we're going to miss out. We got to do this now. We got to do this now. So that is our goal. And then we schedule a strategic open house for the weekend that the showings start. And then we market the heck out of that open house as well to try to get more buyers and more people and more opportunities. So now your home is being shown to 40,000 something people, and now you're getting people in the door, and you have your showings on top of it. And we are also calling the top realtors in the area to tell them about your home. So now your listing is just getting tons of exposure. That's a marketing plan. So if a realtor tells you, hey, you know what, right now homes are selling really good. So I'm going to have somebody come take out some pictures for you. We're going to put it on the MLS, and then we're going to review offers on Monday. Realtors, we get paid well for what we do, for our experience and things like that, but our value is worth more than just doing that. You deserve more when listing your house. So you want to make sure that they have a great marketing plan for your home. It's an investment. Would you choose any financial advisor to handle your personal finances? No. And the same should be true when you hire a realtor. Pick the right realtor that's for you. One that you can resonate with, someone that shares the same values as you, and that you can have a good time with and have fun and have jokes and all that good stuff. And then when it's time to get to business, you know how to be serious and get to business too. So those are my tips on how to sell your home and how to find the right realtor to sell your home in Madison. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love the opportunity to sell your home. If you would like, we always do a free market analysis where we tell you the value of your home, what we think we could sell it for. And we also do free staging consultations as well. So that's a complimentary service that we do where we come in, look at your home value, and give you staging advice on things that you can do to your home to maximize the appeal for potential buyers. So, John Reuter with Integrity Homes, 608-669-4226. Email is john@integrityhomeswi.com. Have a great day, everybody.